Hey guys, welcome to a bit of a Halloween special, because I will be playing a game that I've heard of before by one of my friends. Probably was never going to play it, but I've decided, because it's Halloween, might as well play it. I think I'll play normal. I went on that once. It's too enclosed in a building. This is just going to be probably 15 minutes of me being scared. See, white noise is pretty much the Xbox version of Slender Man. Oh, that scared me. This will probably be the only time where I will swear a lot. Ooh, big windmill. 2 windmills. I had to find 8 tape recordings. Right, 1 minute, I'll be back in a minute. I'll be back in... sorry about that. I just can't really play it on my own. So I've got Josh to come in with me. Say hello.
Hello, little pretty.
I said say hello, not scare everybody to death by talking like a pervert. Oh, yeah, cheeky little.
Oh, there's a freaking river there.
I haven't found a single tape, which could be good because usually, if I've watched Slender Man, he only comes out once you start once you've found
like 3.
Like 1.
3.
1.
3.
1.
Shut up.
1.
Bitch.
1.
I don't like you.
1.
1, okay.
Literally, I found one yesterday online. I literally quit the game because I got that scared. I don't like this game.
He's a pussy.
I'm not. I've seen that.
What the hell?
I think that's a statue of the monster.
There's a tape around here. Maybe that's where the monster spawns. Just stare into its eyes. It kills you. You just keep looking at the freaking stone. Like, and then it's taking the first eye off. Whoa.
No! No! No, you son of a...
Ooh.
1 minute. Please leave me. Please, I can't do it. Sorry about that. I forgot to put the looming camera. I just need. I literally just need a second to calm down. I can't believe I've not found any tapes. There was probably a tape where I nearly just got murdered. I think I'll just do it for 10 minutes.
Do Morse code into the sky to see if you can get a helicopter.
Yeah.
You're back. Haven't you seen the monster?
Look, it's that green finger.
How is it supposed to move? Just gonna be stuck in the ground like.
Shit, that mountain scared me.
It's just not loading.
Oh, it's stuck on trees.
Turn around.
Shit, that scared me then. Two more minutes. I'm literally, if I don't find anything, I'm gonna go back to that green thingy and see what happens.
Just go back to green thing now. You keep getting to this freaking place.
I would have been alright.
Read the signs. Read the signs. If you have anything on.
I doubt it. It's really gonna tell you what. Shit, that scared me then.
Everything scares you. Go along the fenceways. See if you can go inside the windmills.
Doubt it. What's that there?
Where? On the wall.
Tape.
You're about to die. Why didn't you pick the tape up?
Wouldn't let me.
Hold X or something.
No, you just have to walk over.
Do you?
Yeah. No, don't kill me, don't kill me.
Look behind you. You're not even looking behind you properly. What is the freaking monster? Because it can't be that green statue. Because otherwise you're going to survive until you collect all the tapes. Because
Nothing, the green statue moves.
We'll see. That doesn't look moving. You're dead.
No, I'm not replaying that. It's showing me a replay of what I did.
Yeah, back and forth and back and forth.
Did I really just do a triangle?
Nope. You did more than a triangle. Dead. Ah, what? When is this freaking thing gonna die? What would you do if the face, after this, the face just popped up and it went like that? You'd be like,
I hit myself. Just got a straight feeling my parents gonna come upstairs and say
boom.
check on someone. Right, that's it, guys. That's the end of the game. Hope you enjoyed. I didn't. And I'll see you for the next video I ever do. If I ever
he does it.
do another one. See ya.